what advice would you give to yourself? Let's say you're just starting a business, and in terms of mindset, like what you're going to go through in the first 6 months, and what should you, what kind of tips and tricks should you tell yourself or be prepared for to overcome any, the first 6 months or a year of an entrepreneurial journey?
The first thing is stop listening to people who haven't accomplished what you're looking for. You can hear them, you can respect their opinion, but it's their opinion. If they have not done it, I always like to put it back to like something more obvious. If I am getting relationship advice from someone who's gone through 3 divorces, I should probably stop. I should probably go get it from anybody else almost, other than the warnings of, what did you do? I'll not do that, thanks. But in our business, it's all the time. It's like our father-in-law can speak on it, or the weird uncle can speak on it. Our wife who's not really committed to it, she doesn't really understand it. It's different, but she should speak on it. Yes, she should get votes in your life and where you guys are going, but she doesn't know if it works or not. She doesn't know what it takes. And if it was reversed and it was a female entrepreneur, same thing. Her husband doesn't really understand. And so I just be very careful of people that are coming in and giving you advice about what you should do, or if it's going to work, or can it be successful. If they do not have that success, then they do not know.